Are you facing the frustrating 404 not found error on your hosting or website? In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix this issue so your visitors can see your content again. Dealing with website errors can feel overwhelming, but this step-by-step process is simple and will get your site back online in just a few minutes. Before we dive into the technical details, if this guide helps you resolve your site error, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more website maintenance tips. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is log into your hosting account. Once you are in your account area, navigate to the Websites tab and select the Manage button for the site you are currently having trouble with to open the specific dashboard for that domain. Once the dashboard loads, navigate to the File Manager tool, which is usually located under the Files section. Click on it to open your file directory. Now, inside the File Manager, you need to open the public_HTML folder. This is the root directory where all your website files live. Once you are inside this folder, the first thing you need to do is verify that your main page file actually exists. For most WordPress or standard PHP sites, you should be looking for an index.php, index.html, or index.htm file. If you do not see these files, that is likely the root cause of your 404 error. If the files are there, the issue might be related to your configuration file. Look for the file named htaccess in that same public_HTML folder. The htaccess file controls server redirects and the structure of your URLs. Sometimes this file gets corrupted, which forces the server to return a 404 page even if the files are there. To test this, right-click on the htaccess file and choose the rename option. Change the name to something like htaccess_backup. By renaming this file, you are effectively disabling it. After you have renamed the file, go back to your hosting or dashboard, find your website cache settings, and clear the website cache. Once that is done, try reloading your website in a new incognito window. If the site loads, you have solved the problem. You can then go back to the File Manager and either let your CMS generate a fresh htaccess file or reevaluate your rewrite rules. Keeping your site running smoothly is all about regular checks, so don't forget to save these steps for future reference. If this walkthrough was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button for more hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.